Hey everybody, J&A RV Review, and today we're at BISH'S RV right here in Calera, Alabama. Now these are really cool, so if you're looking for a truck camper, we're going to show you all three models that BISH'S has right here on the lot. Now these are exclusive to BISH'S. These are the 2026 Wayfinder RV Go LITE LTD Skyscraper. Now this model is the 600, so we're going to kind of step up in it, take a look at it. Let's see, it is 9 foot 6 inches. The dry weight is 1,188, and the little awning here on the back is 7 foot. Yeah, 7 foot. And they say the truck bed size is for a short or long.
So it can go either way.
Yeah.
Well,
here's your fresh water. It is, I had it wrote down, 21 gallons. So that's not bad. Let's see if we can take a look at some of this. Hey, nice little storage.
little storage area, outside shower.
This is really cool that we finally get to see some truck campers. 30 amp.
And an outside plug-in.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's your cable.
I know we've had somebody complain that we got too close to stuff, but we're in their parking lot on their grand opening, so we're trying not to be in anybody's way, and we're also trying not to get run over.
This is a neat little camper.
All right, I'm gonna let you climb up in there, and then I'm just gonna hand you.
All right, right here as soon as you come in. Now I may be a little too close, but this is a small truck camper. And you've got the microwave, you've got a little storage here, you've got nice little counter space, there's your little sink, and you've got some storage down here, there's your plug-in, and a little bit over there. All right, so if let me spin you around, we have another little cabinet right here. Awesome little cabinet. There's all your solar charge controller, all your buttons and your tank monitors, fuses, and here is your little fridge. Cool. I love the little truck campers. Now Amanda, not so much. All right, let me spin me back around. You have your dinette right here. Kind of hard to video some of this.
It is a little difficult.
And a little storage over there. And let's take a look at the bed here. All right. All right, so USB and power. You have a reading light, so kind of a east to west bed.
Yes.
I like that. All right, let me step up, spin back around.
No shower.
No shower, but you do have a cassette toilet.
Yes, right there.
Oh, cool.
So that could be emergency only, or everybody could just do their own thing.
All right, everybody, so we're going to head, there's your air conditioner.
Oh.
Might need to show that. And we'll just head to the next one. Let Amanda take the camera. All right, the next one is the 700. So we're going to take a look at the Skyscraper 700. Now the length on this one is 14 feet 4 inches. The dry weight is 1,738 pounds. Of course, your awning at the back is 7 foot. And they say the truck bed size is for a long truck bed. So you can tell it's getting a little heavier. Again, these Go LITE, they are exclusive.
They are exclusive
to
to
BISH'S.
BISH'S. Do want to point out, you do have an outside electrical right there. This one is actually going to give you 2 awnings, so you have one on the side and then also one on the back.
Okay, well all I got was the one on the back was 7 foot, so
Okay.
that other side must be, well, the whole thing is 14.
Yeah, so it's going to be pretty close.
Propane.
Yeah.
There's your quick connect. Water heater.
And an
Your
outside shower.
fresh water is 15 gallons. The gray water is 15, and the black water is 15.
Okay. Yeah. Hoping this music's not going to mess us up, so
Do what?
we're hoping the music doesn't mess us up.
All right, let's see if we can step up in this one.
Yeah. No steps set up today.
So, just start. Okay, let me just see if I can start. And I want to say, Josh the RV nerd, this is for you, buddy. All right, right back here in the back, you can see you've got a little cabinet up here above your, call it a microwave. Your fridge is right back here at the back. And there's your freezer. So if I'm a little close, it's, well,
It's a tight area.
it's a tight area. Let me see if I can back up here. You do have a little couch. There is your AC unit. And you've got storage up above here. Nice window spinning around. There is your bed. You've got reading lights. There's your power USB. Really cool. Like I said, I love these little truck campers. Here's your little kitchen. All your controls. Your sink area. And it is going to have solid surface. There's your sink. And your 2-burner cooktop. A little cabinet right here. One here. Your furnace. And here's a little pantry area. You can put some canned goods up in here. And I know this one has got a bathroom, so it's right here is going to be your wet bath. All right, there's your outside vent. Hey, let's see, I think we may have a, yeah, got a little storage there behind the medicine cabinet. Got a little storage right here. Really sharp. There's your shower. Not bad at all. I like this. I really like this. So let's head to the next one, which is the Skyscraper 800. Everybody just watched me jump down, didn't they?
They did.
All right, the Skyscraper 800. It is, dry weight is 2,142. Truck bed size, definitely for a long bed truck. Definitely will fit my 3/4, no problem.
Oh, yes. And in case we haven't stressed this enough, these Go LITE units are exclusive to BISH'S.
Let's see, the fresh water is 36 gallons. There's a little, oh, that's your little dump valves right there. The black water is 15 and the gray water is 15. Water heater. Let's see what else we got out here. There's your propane.
And then you do have an outside shower also on this one.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow. These are really cool.
We are in a really confined area. So.
Yes, we are.
Please don't be throwing any shade at us for not being able to get big wide angles, but
all right.
This is what we have to work with.
Whew. Okay, so when you come right into the back, you're right inside of your kitchen area. And looky here, you get a stove and a oven. Are you kidding me? Cool. Little drawer down here. There's a little cabinet right there. Here is your sink. And your cabinet up top. Another cabinet. And your microwave is up here. Hood range. All right, let me see if I can slowly get us around here. You can see there's your one couch. Some storage, we'll get to that. And you've got a little shelving right here. You would call that a little cubbies.
Yeah, little storage cubbies.
And your big fridge for this little camper. 12-volt fridge right there. And
your battery will be covered up with a step.
There's some little storage areas under there. Yeah, your battery is not going to sit there. It's going to go back there behind it. And let's take a look at some of this. Storage up here. Some USB, some power back there. Like I said, your nice couch. Let's see. I wonder if this couch will. Yes, it will jackknife down. And now I'm going to have to do this one-handed to get it back.
The perfect step is under it.
There we go. Now, let's go ahead and check out this bathroom. This is really cool. This is a dry bath. This is really nice. Here's your sink, your toilet. Here's your little storage under there. And we've got some storage there on your medicine cabinet. Oh, big venting fan. Yes. And look at this little shower. I like this. All right, let me step in. Yeah, I've got plenty of room. I definitely do. Really, really short. All right, I've got to get out, turn around, and show you that again. All right, skylight. Yeah, really short. Nice. And I think Amanda and I would travel really good in this, but she doesn't like truck camper. She said she would kill me if she had to get into a truck camper. Well, I'm not going to be able to get all of this, but there's storage right there. One over here. Yeah, it's probably going to be about the same. All right, there's your power and USB to give you some reading lights and another big fan. I like that. All right, folks, I hope you enjoy our video of these small truck campers, and let me see if I can get out now. Oh. All right, everybody, if you like these little truck campers, right here at BISH'S RV, the dealership's information will be all down there, the website, the telephone number. So get over here in Calera, Alabama and see them and tell them J&A RV Reviews sent you. All right, everybody. Thanks.